My name is Savannah Lennon, and this is my assessment of the Week 8 readings for Physics 2211. The main physics ideas for this week were potential energy, gravitational potential energy, electric potential energy, and energy graphs, along with multi-particle systems. New information for me was multi-particle systems and the incorporation of potential energy into the energy principle, gravitational potential energy, electrical potential energy, and energy graphs. So basically everything. Previously learned information for me, though, was Coulomb's law, the law of gravitation, and the energy principle, which all come to play in each of these subjects. In the videos, they outlined some steps to go about solving problems like this. And to the left, you can see an energy graph for the gravitational potential energy. So the steps they outlined were to find the entire work done on both objects in the system separately by interactions, apply Newton's third law, reciprocity, and find the displacement, delta r, of the objects, and then use the fact that the change in potential energy is equal to the negative of work in order to solve for the rest of the problem. And this was stated in all three of the videos, and it works for all of the types of potential energy. So just regular potential energy, gravitational, and electrical potential energy. And along with this, electrical potential energy and gravitational potential energy are very similar in solving because their laws, Coulomb's law and the fundamental law of gravitation, are both very similar when you solve them anyway. My curiosity was that I found it really interesting how when you have multi-particle systems, the energy principle needs to be updated to include potential energy. This could be connected to the field of neuroscience, in that electrical potential energy could be a part of neurons due to the fact that, one, they're all a part of a system, and two, they all have electrical energies and they generate electricity. So theoretically, therefore, they would have electrical potential energies associated with them. And the confusing or difficult topics for me, I found the concepts of calculating all of these to be a little bit confusing. I understand that you need to separate them into two systems and kind of find the forces acting on them and then incorporate the energy principle. And I understand the energy principle, but I think I just need more practice with thinking about it in the multi-particle state and separating it into multiple systems. The most beneficial supplemental resource I did find, though, were a few videos on YouTube that explained more about multi-particle systems and how to calculate the potential energy of a system.